actually just delivered today was the Vargas Turbo. Basically, it's called the Vargas GC, which replaces the stock turbo, so you could use your stock manifold and this bolts right up to it. This is ranging from 15 to 17. There's always a sale that's on the website. I'm actually gonna put the link below, so you can go ahead and click it, and if you have any details, you can actually hit up Tony himself. He's pretty quick at answering your emails. Like I said, it is a GT30 replica. The power ranges are from 500 to 650. I've seen people online make 620, 630. There's a whole bunch of, you can go online, you can Google it basically on any form, just type in Vargas GC and it'll come up for b58 platform. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and get into the unboxing. It did come with a strap, but I took it off. This turbo kit, I think the turbo has like a 1-year warranty if I'm not mistaken. So if you blow it up or anything, get like shaft play, I'm pretty sure he exchanges it for a new one. It's on there pretty tight. Oh wow, the packaging is pretty good. Let's see. I got the coupler adapter for it. It was like, I forgot how much it was extra. Definitely do recommend getting this if you're using a stock airbox. I'm using the stock airbox. It's known to keep IATs a little bit lower. Comes with, look, comes with a new gasket for the manifold. This looks like I don't even know what this was before. It's like a gasket that looks for like the V-band or something. All new hardware. What's this? I have no idea what this is. Gold bears. I have no idea. I guess this is like a. I guess this is like a little thing he threw in. I have no idea what that is, but whatever. This is my receipts. Definitely gonna keep that if anything goes wrong. All right, let's put that down there. I don't know if you want to check out the coupler. It's pretty cool. All right. Now for what everybody's been waiting for. Just open. All right. I don't know if you guys are aware too, they just made a b58 GC, which is a bigger setup, and that one actually comes with a manifold. It's like $1,000 more, I believe. It just released. It's not even out yet right now. I think they're still doing pre-orders for the initial drop. Everything is on there, dude. All right. Wow. Wow. Okay. Well, it's definitely packed, dude. Wow, alright. Got a turbine in the back, front part of the housing. Actually has, I don't know if you could see it, if it's gonna come out, but it has VTT on the turbine on the inside. This looks extremely fucking cool, I'm not even gonna lie to you. Alright. I definitely do recommend, if you're gonna go ahead and do a upgrade on the b58 turbo upgrade, to definitely install a upgraded fuel system. You could use any G-body fuel pump or a super fuel pump. They're pretty cheap online. You can find them for like $1,000 or probably get them for like 800. You just gotta search online. And you can get the jumper harness on Burger Motorsports, and you're pretty much set up. I think that setup will hold like 600 if you're using like e-gas, but that's pretty much it. I mean, I gotta install it. I'm still waiting on a couple things for the car, I need to order a twin disc because I did smoke the clutch on my car, and a twin disc for these cars are really expensive, so I'm waiting for that. I also ordered a, what was it? Oh my god, what is it? CSF heat exchange for the car, because your IITs are going to get a little bit hotter, so you definitely want to keep the motor happy. But this is definitely going to be installed soon.